Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning to all of you. In the last session, we started the chapter number 5, accounting equation. With the help of this accounting equation, we proved that assets is equal to capital plus liability. In this session, we started some illustration. With the help of this illustration, we proved that assets is equal to capital plus liability. Like first transaction is there, started a business with capital rupees 80,000. So it is an economic transaction is there. Started a business with a capital of rupees 2,000. Two effects are there due to this transaction. First one, case comes in our business, and due to the case our assets increase. And second thing is there, this case brought by the owner, so that is known as a capital. So cash increased by 80,000 and capital increased by 80,000. Liability is equal to 0. So the value of cash 80,000, value of capital 80,000, the value of liability 0, 0. That is assets is equal to capital plus liability. Assets 80,000 and capital plus liability 80,000. Second example, opened an account in bank by depositing rupees 20,000. Second example is there, open an account in bank by depositing rupees 20,000. Due to this transaction, our bank balance increased because we deposited 20,000 rupees in our bank account. Second thing is there, when we deposited this amount into the bank, due to this transaction our cash balance decreases. So both effects are in our asset side. Like first one, we have a cash of rupees 80,000. When we deposited in bank, it is decreased by 20,000. Now remaining 60,000, and bank balance increased by 20,000. So the overall total 80,000 is there. There will be no change in capital. It's remain stable 80,000. So the last total remain stable 80,000, and the liability there will be no change. It's remain stable 0, 0. So due to this transaction, assets 80,000 and capital and liability 80,000 rupees. Third one is there, third transaction, goods of rupees 20,000 purchased from Mahendra on credit. So it is an economic transaction. The credit word is mentioned or the name of person is mentioned. That's why it is considered as a credit transaction. So due to this transaction, when we purchase goods, so the value of goods increased in our firm, the goods comes in our business. And second, Mahendra is giver, so he is a giver. So our liability affected. That means our liability is also increased. So first, there will be no change in case it's remain 60,000 because it is a credit transaction. There will be no change in bank. It's remain stable 20,000. Now, value of goods increased because we purchased 20,000. So assets की value become 1 lakh. There will be no change of capital. It's remain stable 80,000. 80,000. Liability increases by 20,000 because we purchase goods on credit. So 20,000 is there. So 20,000 rupees. So the value of assets 1 lakh and the value of liability plus capital 80 plus 20 1 lakh rupees. Next one is there. Fourth number, paid salary rupees 5,000 by check. Paid salary rupees 5,000 by check. So given transaction is a cash transaction because the word check is mentioned and the paid word is also mentioned. Salary is our business expense. Due to this transaction, our capital decrease. And when we paid salary by check, so our bank balance is also decreases. So there no change in capital. It's remained stable 60,000 rupees. Now we have a bank balance 20,000. Salary paid by 5,000. So it's remain 15,000. Goods we have 20,000. So the value of assets become 60 plus 20 80 plus 10 90 5,000. Their capital we have 80,000. When we paid salary, so our capital decreased by 5,000. It's remain 75,000. And liability there will be no change. So 20,000. So now we do our accounting equation. The value of assets 95,000 is there. Okay, value of assets 95,000, value of capital 75,000 and the value of liability 20,000. So assets 95,000, capital plus liability 75 plus 20,000 is equal to 95,000. A is equal to C plus N. Fifth one is there. Goods of rupees 2,000 return to Mahendra. Goods of rupees 2,000 रिटर्न टू महेंद्र. तो यहाँ पे हमें 2000 का गुड्स महेंद्र को रिटर्न किया. It is a purchase return. In a transaction number 3, we purchased goods of rupees 20,000 from Mahendra on credit. Now in transaction number 5, we return back goods of rupees 2,000 to Mahendra. So due to this transaction, two accounts are affected. First one, goods go back from our business, so the value of goods decreases. Second, now our liabilities also decrease. कि जब हमने महेंद्र से 20,000 का गुड्स परचेस किया था, so our liability increased by the 20,000. But now we return goods of rupees 2,000. So now we have to pay only 18,000 rupees to Mahendra. So our liability is decreased. So there will be no effect of cash 60,000, bank, no effect of bank, it's 15,000. Now goods, we have a goods of rupees 20,000 minus 2,000, it's remain 18,000. टोटल करेंगे इसका, it's become 93,000. Capital, no change in capital, 75,000. 75,000. Now liability, we have 20,000 minus purchase return is there 2,000, so liability remain 18,000. 18 plus 75,000, it's become 93,000. The value of assets 93,000 is there, and the value of capital plus liability 93,000 is there. Next one is there. Now the next transaction is there. Received commission of rupees 5,000. So it is a cash transaction. Received is there. Due to this transaction, two accounts are affected. First one, cash account, because cash balance increases, and second, commission is our income, that's why capital account increases. So the cash we have got rupees 60,000 plus commission we received of rupees 5,000, so 65,000. No change in bank, 15,000. Goods, there will be no change of goods, 18,000 is there. Cash 60,000 plus increase 5,000 as a commission, so 65,000. Bank balance 15,000. Goods 18,000 is there. Now the total of these assets, it's become 98,000. Capital, we have 75,000 plus we received commission 5,000, so the capital 80,000 is there. Liability, there will be no change in liability, so liability is there 18,000. So the value of assets 98,000 and the value of capital plus liability 98,000. So A is equal to C plus L. Okay, now the students, with the help of this illustration, you have to do question number 1 and 2 in your exercise as a homework. Thank you very much. Goodbye.